Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 4th of May 2023. The market bounced back after a day of weakness as the US Federal Reserve indicated they may pause the rate hike cycle soon. This lifted the mood of market participants on Dalal Street on May 4th. At close, Nifty was up 165.95 points or 0.92% to 18,255.80. While the Sensex was up 555.95 points or 0.91% to 61,749.25. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Adani Enterprise, Bajaj Finance, and SBI Life Insurance. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are UPL, IndusInd Bank, and Nestle. They fell within the range of negative 0.83% to 1.12%. For the development in the corporate segment, we have shares of Murugappa Group firm Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company surged nearly 9% on May 4th after the company reported higher than expected earnings. The strong growth in dispersals and collections contributed greatly to this success. The firm reported a 24% increase in standalone net profit, amounting to 853 rupees crore, during the March quarter, compared to 690 rupees crore a year ago. The total standalone revenue from operations witnessed a year-on-year growth of 43%, reaching 3,701 rupees crore, compared to 2,580 rupees crore. Shares of Tata Power Company dropped about 1% in the morning trade on May 4th ahead of the energy company's Q4 results. Investors fear the Tata Group company's earnings, expected later in the day, will be marred by losses at its Mundra plant, which was reflected in the negative sentiment. Analysts pointed out that a better contribution from the renewable segment will support the energy company's earnings. Tata Power has a generation capacity of 14,076 megawatt, of which 37% comes from clean energy sources. Shares of GR INFRAPROJECTS rallied 3% to 1,019 rupees on NSE after the company emerged as L1 bidder for a project on construction of 4-lane highway with paved shoulders from kilometer 74.70 to kilometer 112.950 of NH731A. GR INFRAPROJECTS Limited stock has lost 13.41% of its value since the start of 2023. Thus, underperforming the Nifty 50 benchmark index, which has given a 0.1% return during the same period. TVS Motor Company on Wednesday said it will refund around 20 rupees crore as a goodwill benefit scheme to customers who have paid over and above the threshold limit fixed under the FAME scheme. The company however maintained that it has fully complied with all government regulations specified under the Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles in India initiative. HG Infra Engineering will sell its entire shareholding in 4 wholly owned subsidiaries, Gagan Sona Highway, HG Rawari Atalai Highway, HG Atalai Narnal Highway, and HG Rawari Bypass, to Highway Infrastructure Trust for an equity value of 531 rupees crore. Vardalal Industries in daily time frame is trading at 2,242.6 points with a change of 13.41% and is trading with a net volume of around 159,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1938.3. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 60.28. RS Software in daily time frame is trading around 38.4 points with a change of 18.69%, and is trading with a net volume of around 700,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 31.75, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.49. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. For stocks to watch, we have Graphite India looks good on current market price of 330.25. It can be bought at 335 rupees keeping target of 360 rupees with stop loss of 310. PNC Infra looks good on current market price of 306.5. It can be bought at 307 rupees, keeping target of 330 rupees with stop loss of 290. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.